Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus 10T. This is a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. This mobile is of 55,000 rupees. So let's unbox this. Opening up on the top, there is a silicone case, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, a red cable club card and stickers. So there is the mobile. Let's just remove the plastic wrap on it, and this is how the mobile looks like. We'll keep it aside, and then at last there is a 150 watt power brick and a type C to type C charging cable. So coming to the design, it has a smooth textured material on the back panel. Then the camera module is also very nicely done. Coming to the ports and buttons, there is a power button on the right without an alert slider. Then on the left there is a volume rocker. On the bottom there is a SIM tray, a type C port and dual speakers. This mobile comes up with a completely flat display with curved edges on the side. The fingerprint scanner below is so fast and responsive. And this mobile has a neat and minimalistic design. So this mobile has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front. The bezels are also so thin, the display produces good colors while watching videos. It is provided with a peak brightness of 950 nits, which can be used in brighter conditions as well. Talking about the camera part, on the back it has a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and a circled LED flashlight, while on the front it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Coming to the performance, this mobile has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is a big upgrade, and the UI provided is Oxygen OS 12.1, which is so comfortable to use. So talking about the connectivity, it supports 5G, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, NFC, and is provided with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 support. At last, coming to the battery, this mobile is provided with a 4800 mAh battery and also has a huge 150 watt fast charging brick inside the box, which charges the mobile from 1 to 100 in less than 20 minutes, which is really fast. So that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in the next video.